In this video, we're going to create a program that sends a text message with the current and forecasted weather conditions. So to do that, we're going to set up our weather API, which we're going to use Weather Underground. So I'm going to go to www.wunderground.com. So once we get here, we're going to click Join and set up our account. So we're going to use the free version. And now that we're logged on with our new profile, we're going to go to More and Weather API for Developers. So once we get to this page, we're going to click Explore My Options. And now we're going to get to pricing, and we're going to select the Stratus plan, which is free, and click Purchase Key. After you validated your email, make sure to type in your information into the text boxes. Once you're finished, we're going to press Purchase Key. Now that we have our Weather API key, we're going to go and set up our Twilio account. So in a new tab, type in twilio.com. And we're going to click Get a Free API Key. So now we can sign up and fill out this, and at the bottom we're going to click Get Started. So now we're at our Twilio console. So what we're going to first do is click on the three dots to the side here, and we are going to select phone number. We're going to click Get Started and get our first Twilio phone number. So we're going to copy down this number because we're going to use it in Node-RED in just a minute. And then after we're done that, we're going to go back to this menu and scroll down to Developer Tools and click on Runtime. Now we're going to select API keys so we can access the API using Node-RED. So now we're going to create a new API key. So copy down all this information. And now we're ready to use Node-RED. Back in Node-RED, we need to install the Weather Underground palette so we can access the Weather API. So we're going to go to the three-bar menu, select Manage Palette, navigate to the Install tab, and type in node-red-node Weather Underground and install. So now we're going to pull out an inject node and link it to our Weather Underground with both sides. I'm going to pull out a function node and a Twilio receiving node, and also a debug node so we can see what's going on if there were any error messages. In the inject node, we're going to edit it and enter in a string called get current weather alert and click done. In the Weather Underground node, we're going to copy in our API key that we just received and enter it in the text box accordingly, and enter in what city and country you want to get your notifications from. I'm in New York City, so I'm going to choose New York. Now in the function node, we're going to type in message.payload is equal to the message.payload description, so we can get what the description is of the current conditions. Now we're going to edit the Twilio node, double click to change it, and we're going to add a new API key by clicking on the pen symbol to the right. And now we're going to add in all of the credentials that we just got. So the account SID from is going to be the telephone number that we created, which is right here. And make sure that you have the plus sign and the country code, otherwise it will not work. And the token is the same thing as the secret. So we're going to paste that into there and click add. And now you're going to type in the number that you want to send it to. And now we're ready to deploy. And we'll inject into the node. You'll see in here that this is the weather object. And since in our function description, we entered message.payload.description, it's going to select this part to text out to the number.